Alright, good afternoon boys. First thing we're gonna open. So pretty much I got some Pokemons over here and some NBA cards. I was just lucky today. I went to the store and found 4 boxes that they just put it on. So pretty much this is the 2020-2021 NBA cards. So let's see if we can find some good ones on this inside the box. It's hard to find this one in the store because it's always sold out. So let's see if we can find some good one over here. Some rookie cards, some Luka Doncic, maybe LeBron, or anything that's good one that we could make money out of it. Alright, so let's see how many cards inside the box. What is this? Oh, okay, that's just the security system. Put that one on the side. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cards. So it says here there's 28 cards inside. Alright, so let's open our first one. Let's see if we could get some good ones here. Markel Fultz. Some Markel Fultz. P. Jones. It's pretty nice though. Ricky Rubio. Kimba Walker. Alright. We got some good ones over here. And it comes only with 4 cards. Alright. Let's see the next one. Roy Hachimura, Carmelo Anthony, Carl Lewis, Lou Williams. Oh, this is the old one. This is the 2020-2021. Oh, about to say. Alright, that's fine. Maybe we could find some good ones over here. And of course, some good price. So, Kristaps, Winston, Sid Curry, Ben Wallace, when we stay. Okay, here's an old school. Alright. Tim Hardaway, Nikola. Oh, we have some MVP. Maybe this one have good price. Otto Porter. Alright. Next up. Michael Bridges, Daniel Otoro, Colin Sexton. Oh, Devin Booker. Maybe that one, some good money in it. So let's separate that one later. But let's just open all of this for now. And hoping out of all these 4 boxes, we can get some good ones. Devontae Graham, Victor Oladipo, Obi, Jimmy Butler, another T-. Alright. I think Jimmy Butler still stays in Miami Heat, so probably this one some good money. Alright. Alright, last. Carl Lovert, Nicky Richards, Mike Conley. Oh, the Antetokounmpo Air Defense. Alright, probably that one cost some good money. Let's see. Alright, let's open the next box. We're in our second box. Alright, we'll get our 7 packs again. Alright, here's our Jaren Jackson, Kevin Knox, Emmanuel Quickley. Oh, LeBron James. Air defense. Cool. Alright. Let's hope we can get some good ones in here. At least get our money back. Brook Lopez, Bojan, Express Lane, Ben Simmons. Alright. Nothing special yet so far. Rick Pascal, Elijah Hughes, Kobe White, Daniel Otoro. Alright. Nothing. Alright, Jeremy Grant, R.J. Barrett, Alex, oh, winner stay, Larry Bird, some old school. And imagine we could get some Michael Jordan in there or Kobe Bryant. That's some good one. Joel Embiid. Oh, Kyrie Irving. Maybe he still stays on New Jersey Nets. Let's see if that one got some price in it. Oh, Jason Tatum, Chris Paul, James Wiseman, Jason Tatum again. That pack is good. Brandon Ingram, Grant Riller, Raymond Green. Oh, James Harden, my house. Probably that one got some good money in it. Yeah. Let's check the price on that one. Alright, let's go open our third box. We're not gonna waste any time. Let's just go up to it. Alright. You may turn on the AC, put in 74. It's kind of hot in here, so. Alright, let's see. Donovan Mitchell, that's good. Bradley Beal, that's good. Kenyon Martin Jr. Oh, my house. Anthony Davis. Okay. There's some good ones in there. Alright. Let's keep going. Dwight Powell. Kawhi. Got some Kawhi right there. Got some Kawhi. Alright. Waiting some LaMelo Ball. Maybe we could get some rookie cards. Luka Doncic. That one is hard to find. Oh, Paul George. Oh, Tyler Hero. Oh, there you go. Finally, we got some good one. We got some LeBron in there. Let's check that one. Oh, that's still the 23. That's the old one. He's number 6 now. Alright. Okay, we got some good ones. Alright. Let's keep rolling. Eventually, we'll find the good ones over here. Killian Hayes, C.J. McCollum, Carl Lewis, C.J. McCollum. Maybe not that much. My back hurts. Okay, where we at? Oh, another Anthony Davis, Mitchell Robinson, Elijah Hood. Oh, Express Lane, Isaiah Thomas. Maybe that one's some good price in there. We're gonna check that one, sell that one in eBay. Piece by piece. Russell, D'Angelo Russell. Oh, Kevin Durant. There's the old school. Still in Warriors, Kevin Durant. There's some good ones. Yeah, we put some good ones in there. Thomas Bryant, Terry Rozier. Terry Rozier is good. Ooh, got some Giannis. T minus 321. Probably a good one. Right, that's our third box. Alright, let's open our last box. And let's see. Final 7th pack. By Jimmy Butler again, DeAndre Ayton, Jaden McDaniels, Kyrie Irving, My House. Alright, that's a good pull. Just sucks that it only counts 4 in one pack. Duncan, oh, okay, we got some rookie card, boy. Oh, for sure, that's money right there. Oh, Daniel House, Eric Bledsoe. Oh, that's money in there. LaMelo Ball. Just check the price on that one. That's a good price in there. That's for sure. Luka Doncic. We have Luka Doncic over here. Jamal Murray, Joe Ingles, Tyler B, Kemba Walker again. All right. We got into our last 4-pack. Al Horford, Devin Vassell, PJ Washington, Julius Randle. Yeah, Julius Randle. PJ Washington. They're getting better, so it's probably some price in there too. Carl Anthony Towns, DeMar DeRozan, Skylar Mays. Oh boy, Allen Iverson, right there. Can't find this one for so long now. Some good ones in there. Alright, last 2. Murray, Maxey, Rudy Gay, My House, Kawhi Leonard. Alright, last pull. Kevin Harder, Michael Porter, Tyler Terry, Shaquille O'Neal, Lakers. Alright, that's about it. We'll see. So we're gonna check all these cards and check individually for the pricing and see how much these good ones over here. But yeah, for now we just got 4 boxes. So we're gonna keep looking and maybe we can find more. But for now, check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. This is just one of the random videos that I'm posting on my YouTube channel. I'm posting anything on my channel anyway. There's no specific things that I'm posting, but for now I love opening cards. Found it in the store, got it, And then yep, I got only 4 boxes. So make sure if you like some cards, message me. Maybe you wanna buy it or something. Let me know. All right, peace out.